In this video, I'm going to be going over how to build a low-ticket Ascension funnel that prints money on Autopilot. And this is specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators. You sell some kind of educational product. All right, so the goal of this entire funnel, and this is for organic traffic specifically, is to acquire as many buyers as possible and ascend the qualified ones into high ticket. What a low-ticket Ascension funnel actually does, it gives your audience a no-brainer offer, qualifies serious buyers through behavior, it automates the path to high ticket, and it maximizes the LTV on the back end. So now I'm just going to go over the actual structure of the low ticket Ascension funnel. So you're going to send all of your organic traffic initially to a front end sales page. Then you're going to have all the buttons across the page that lead to the actual checkout page. And this is going to have 1 to 2 order bumps. If you're running paid, definitely do 2 order bumps just to liquidate the ad spend. If you're doing organic, 1 or 2 works fine. Anything more than 2 order bumps just creates too much friction within the buyer's process, so just keep it 2 or below. And this is going to have a 2-step order form, so you're going to have name, email, and phone number if you want to do phone number. And so if they enter all this info in and then they don't complete the purchase, you're going to send them abandoned cart emails or SMS messages. And then once they buy this first product with the order bumps, they're going to go to your OTO1. And so instead of actually having a product here that people pay for, it's going to be framed as a free implementation or a quick start call, and this is going to be with a setter. So this is arguably the most important part of the process, is getting people to book this call so that they can be further qualified and then get on the call with the closer. And this implementation call is what makes this entire funnel work. So if they don't book right here, they're going to do a push to booking sequence, so email and SMS again. Then you're going to have setters reach out to these people. And then once they book that call, they're going to go to an application form. And so this form is just to further qualify your buyers. And then after this, they're going to actually have their implementation call or quick start call with the setter. And so from this call, they're going to either no-show, cancel, follow up, close lost, or close won. And obviously if they no-show or cancel, you're going to do a follow-up and really push them to reschedule that call. And if it was a close loss, so they're qualified and everything, but they just didn't get the call scheduled with the closer over here, then you're going to have a specific email sequence and SMS sequence to push them to that. And so close one, this is basically if they actually get a call scheduled with the closer, and then you're going to have your push to show sequence right here. Same thing again, no show, cancel, follow up, close loss, closed one. So that is the entire kind of process of an actual low ticket Ascension funnel. So the entire goal is to get them on this implementation call and then get them on the call with the closer and then close them obviously. So with your actual initial core product low ticket offer, you can come up with this by asking, what do people need before they're ready for the high ticket program? And what piece of your high ticket program can stand alone? And this is basically just meaning you're taking a small part of your high ticket program right now and kind of breaking that down into a smaller low ticket product that is still highly valuable for the high ticket ICP. And this also must solve one specific problem really well, and it must get them results very fast. So if it's a 10 module course, that's obviously just not going to work well, because no one's going to go through that entire thing. You want it to be as fast as possible for them to actually consume, go through, and get the result. And so if it is a video-based product, like a training or something like that, then you should preferably have maximum 3 semi-short videos, so like 15 minutes max maybe. And this has to be an actual good product that is highly valuable, and it must tie into your core offer, meaning your high ticket offer. It has to align with that. That's very important. And then product formats, you can have stuff like a mini course, a toolkit, templates, swipe files, a quick win program kind of thing. And there's tons of different things that you can do. And then price point, what works best right now is going to be that $27 to $97 range. Some people go down to $17, even like $7 or $9. The best price points that I've really seen is $27, $47, $67, and $97. So that is basically the entire kind of structure of the actual low ticket Ascension funnel. It is similar on the front end as a regular AOV based funnel, but right after they check out with those order bumps, they're just going to be immediately pushed to book that call with the setter. And that's the entire goal from there. And then just to move them forward and get them into your high ticket program as fast as possible, so that you can actually profit from your front end ad spend, if you're even running ads in the first place, as fast as possible, so that you can keep reinvesting and closing these high ticket deals. Now, if you want my team to set up this entire funnel completely done for you, there's going to be a link below this video where you can book a call with me directly, and we'll get this entire thing mapped out for you. And if it makes sense for us to work together, then we'll move forward with the process. So again, there's going to be a link below this video where you can book a call with me directly.